Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to your fitness and wellness today. I am Van Gost. Yes, it's raining. Yes, it's cold. And yes, we're working out. This is how you do it. It's called commitment. It's called dedication. It's called loving yourself enough to just get out and take care of yourself. The workout for today is hip strength and mobility. I got you. So here we go. Okay, let's warm it up. Now bring it to the front. Here we go. Use those legs. Now both arms up. I'm going to slow it down. Leg up. Breathe in. Breathe out. It's so beautiful out here. Nice, brisk, working out weather. First one we're going to do a squat. And come down, hold it, bring it up. Down, hold it, bring it up. You're gonna stick just right here. One. Hold it for a few seconds. Squeeze the butt when you come up. Now, this time you're gonna bring it, pulse it. And hold it. I'm going to turn to the side. Just angle. Bring it up. Good. We're going to do it one more set. All right? Core engaged. Bring it all the way up. That's it. Next one, you're going 1, 2, 3, you're gonna kick. Now, you don't have to necessarily bring that kick in there, but you can bring knee, all right? And when you're ready, you're gonna bring the kick in. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, kick, kick, if you can. If not, just tap that knee. Keep it going. Yes. Tap it. See, if you work out when it's cold, you're gonna warm up anyway. Use it. Use it and lose it. You can lose the pounds, you can lose the weight, you can lose the stress, and you can lose joint pain. The next one, you're gonna bring it like this. You're gonna bring it like you're making the heel touch the butt, right? Okay? Then you're gonna bring it back. 1, 2, 3. Now hop with it. Now take the hop out. Come on. Hop with it. Good job. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Now this one, you're gonna make it a side lunge. Ready? Bring the legs out wide. side lunge. You're gonna bring it over here. Now, you're gonna pulse into this, kind of rock into it, working the hip, keeping your abs core engaged. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it all the way up. Oh, it's so beautiful out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold it. Up. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold it. Hold it, hold it, breathe. Very good. Excellent. Dance it all the way up. Tap it out. Okay, now some of these are basic moves that you've seen before, but it's certainly good to do and add it to your daily routine because it's just good for your joints. Joint strength, mobility, strength in the hips, because that's going to help you lift objects in everyday life as you age. You keep your independence as you age. You don't want anybody taking care of you. Take care of yourself. All right? Here we go. Now you're going to bring a knee, lunge, knee, lunge, knee. All right? You can do it slow, knee. You can tap down like this, or knee, lunge it. All right? Knee, lunge, knee. Victory! Knee, lunge, knee. Knee, knee. Give me it more. And if it's awkward, just reposition yourself. There goes the sun. Here we go, other side. Lunge, twist. Lunge, twist. Lunge, lunge, lunge. If you wobble, it's okay. You're getting stronger. Keep it going. You got this. Next move, you're gonna bring it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6, 7, and 8. Give me 8 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See how you're working the hip? Stretch it out. Breathe in. Breathe out. I was honestly trying to decide if I was gonna videotape this workout today. I almost canceled it, and I thought if the cameras weren't on, I would work out anyway. So I'm working out anyway. And that's what you need to tell yourself every day. I'm gonna do what's good for me anyway, no matter what. Bring the legs out wide. Good. Hold that. And reach, reverse. And bring it up. Stretch. Good. Bring it all the way up again. Bring it on down. Here's a challenge. Bring your arm behind you and through. And if not, this is okay. Just bring it right here or here. Stretch it out. Breathe. Bring it all the way down. Excellent. Give me that lunge. Now stretching out those hips. We worked it. We worked it. Good. Sweep it on back around. Other side. Look right over the top of the hand. Queen. Regal. There you go. Bring it all the way down. Side stretch. Oh. Ooh, movement is like sunshine. Reverse warrior reach. Again, over, breathe. And up. This time bring it all the way down and challenge. Bring your hand through if you can, thread it. Hold it, breathe. Your hips need you, so work them out. Come to this workout and you'll see your hips improving in a matter of weeks. I'm just doing this as a modification if you can't do this one, all right? And then bring it up if you can and stretch through. Triangle. Oh, the dark clouds are rolling away. Good job. Bring it back down. Bring it all the way over. Position yourself. Reposition if you feel wobbly. And lunge. Stretch out. We worked it. Beautiful. And bring it all the way back out. Triangle. Twist it out. I'm not touching this wet ground. Well, I'm good. And twist. And all the way up. Ah! High five me! You did it. Give yourself a pat on the back. Pat on the back. This was an awesome workout. Oh man. Okay, you all look. Let me know in the comments if you like working out by the water. Thank you so much for working out with me. Click on the links below for some awesome workouts. I'm here for you always. And until the next workout, thank you for working out with me. Go share this, subscribe, and goodbye. Yeah. Love you all. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to your fitness and wellness today. This is Van Goss reporting for